my dear friends, finance of Vilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. My dear friends, the market is open and right after the market opening, we saw a little bit of a selling pressure. Gold came below 2150. 2150 was a very significant level. Gold came below 2150 and we can see right now that gold is trading around 2146, 2147. And my dear friends, if you're looking for detailed analysis, then please watch the video that I uploaded on Saturday because I do not want to repeat the same stuff and bore you again. And in earlier videos, we discussed about 2145 to 2150. So market is still trading inside the lane, not range, level or range. Okay, its market is still trading inside the range or level only. So we cannot consider this as a breakdown and look for a sell right now because we can clearly see on the chart that the volume is missing. And without volume, okay, without volume, if market goes down also, there's a high chance that market will be coming up again because for any breakout or breakdown, volume is extremely important. If there is not volume in the market, then it may be a false breakout. So in this condition, okay, if you're planning to take a sell, okay, do not go for a sell right now because let the volume come, and maybe you can expect some volume by the European session or by the US session. But there's a high chance that in the next 1 or 2 days we may not get to see much big moves, and the reason is gold steady FOMC meeting in focus this week. FOMC meeting coming up on Wednesday, and there's a good chance, high chance that market will remain sideways or market will remain choppy till FOMC. So let's look at the chart of DXY. So DXY is standing at 103.46. This is the current market price. So today, if you see DXY crossing 103.55 level, the black line here, you can expect DXY to head towards the next level of 103.80 around the 200 moving average. So in simple words, 200 moving average is the next resistance. Once the market hit 200 moving average, it will try to go up again. But before FOMC, I don't think so DXY will be able to cross 104.25, the green line at the top here. So 104.25, I don't think so DXY will be able to cross, and the reason is we have considerable price rejection around this area previously. And if we take help of our beloved FIBO, okay, you can see that we have FIBO 38.2% retracement level around the same area. So if we combine both the factors, I don't think so before FOMC market will be that volatile, that bullish, and it will break that level. Max to max, we can expect that it will break the black line and head towards the 200 moving average. That's it. Now let's talk about the chart of gold. So if you have any position right now, you can be on the trade. For example, I have taken a small buy position on the chart of gold with a stop loss of 2142.90. Okay, and I'm expecting profit. I don't know how much I'm expecting. I just have taken a small buy position. Just calling it to be my last trade before the vacation. But yes, I have a buy stop at 2148.50 with a TP at 2149.50. Okay, if you are thinking why so small, because I have taken a lot size of 2.0. I'm just trying to play with the volatility. So if market takes momentum from here, maybe I'll try to score 10 pips if market breaks 2148. But as of now, I am on a small buy position at 2146. So let's wait and watch. I'm not very hopeful with the market right now. That's why I have taken with a small lot size, because I think that market will be sideways. Okay, market will be sideways or not much hopeful. Okay, and if you know me personally, if you have interacted with me personally, then you must be knowing that I am a very impatient person. I do not prefer to keep my trades open at night. So yes, obviously I will exit before 9 p.m. And as I'm going on vacation, this is my last video. Probably you guys already know because I have already told many times. So before 9 p.m., okay, I will be uninstalling TradingView. I will be uninstalling all the trading platforms like MetaTrader, CTrader, MaxTrader, because vacation means vacation. Brain needs rest. No trading. Because in my trading journey, I have seen that when your brain is tired, okay, your accuracy also goes down. Okay, once your brain is fresh again, okay, you get the accuracy back. So if you guys need break, okay, take the break. Okay. Sometimes we are so busy with our lives that we forget that we are also human. We also need rest. Nowadays, I consider myself lucky that at least I can take 2 to 3 times vacation a year. Okay. Anyways, that's a different story. Anyways, let's talk about gold. So during the US session, if you see gold going below 2145, okay, you can look for a sell below it, but be careful at first. Look for a target of 40 pips. If you see that selling pressure is very high after 40 pips also, then you can continue with the sell position. But in this market situation, I don't think so that 40 pips will also be achievable. Okay. And as we have already discussed in our previous videos, that if market shows heavy selling pressure, then 2115 is the next support on the chart of gold. And if gold breaks the upside, if gold starts going up, then we have discussed about the possibility of gold breaking 2200 because we have a bull flag on the daily chart, and the bull flag on the daily chart is still very much valid. Because many of you are wondering whether the bull flag is valid or not, but we can still see the bull flag is still very much valid. If gold breaks 2145 and starts falling, then the bull flag will be no longer valid. But at this moment, when I'm recording the video during the Asian session, the bull flag is still very much valid. So if possible, try to avoid any big lot size before the news, before FOMC. Try to trade from level to level only. That will be better and safer for you. And during the day, if you see market going up, then obviously the volatility of the market will be very important. In absence of heavy volume, in absence of big green candles, you can also look for a sale around 1.2164, 2165. Before 2164, 216, we also have a minor resistance around 2156, 2157. Okay, but at this moment, I'm not very confident. Okay, so let's not talk about it. Okay, let's keep our eyes around this level only. And do not expect many trading opportunities because number of trading opportunities are limited. We have already discussed in a previous video. My dear friends, we are traders, not gamblers. Do not forget it. And again, my dear friends, thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. See you after my vacation. Till then, be careful. Do not gamble. We are traders. Do not forget it. And capital protection should be the first priority of any trader. Okay. Bye bye.